everyone. India marked Army Day yesterday with a grand and historic parade in Jaipur held for the very first time in a public setting outside a military cantonment. The Army Day parade was organized on Mahal Road in Jagatpura, turning Rajasthan's capital into the center of national celebrations honoring the courage, discipline and sacrifice of Indian soldiers. Army Day is observed every year on January 15th to commemorate a defining moment in India's military history. Let's now have a look at what my colleague Nivriti is showing about the Howitzer system.
Another attraction of the Army Day Parade 2026 is this gun that we are showing you right now. It is the ultralight howitzer for its mountainous terrain. It is meant for the mountainous terrain. It is ultralight howitzer named M777, M777. As the name suggests, it is very lightweight. It is around 4.2 tons. That is why it can be deployed very easily. It can be airlifted and taken to the location where it is required very easily. So if we talk about the range of this particular weapon, it is around 24.7 kilometers to 30 kilometers with potential of 40 kilometers with the advanced ammunition. So particularly the deployment has been done in the mountainous Himalayan regions in the north and in the northeast. So this is M777 ultra lightweight howitzer.
The parade showcased the Indian Army's operational readiness, discipline and modern capabilities with gallantry awards announced for honor soldiers for their exceptional bravery and service. Let's also take a look at my colleague Nivriti as she is showing us the Suryastra system.
The might of Indian Army was displayed in the Army Day Parade 2026 on the Mahal Road in Jaipur for the first time in Jaipur and for the first time in a civilian area. So indigenous weapons were the main attraction. The Atmanirbhar Bharat theme was the main attraction of the entire parade, and right now what I am showing you is the Suryastra. Suryastra is the indigenous system. It is made in India, multi-caliber, long-range rocket launcher system, and it is developed by Pune-based NIBE Limited and in collaboration with Israel's Elbit Systems. So if we talk about the capabilities, it has multi-caliber capability. A single launcher can fire multiple types of rockets and guided munitions, and it is, as you can see, mounted on the high mobility vehicle. So wherever it is required, you can mount it on this kind of a vehicle, and these missiles can be taken to the required place and used. The precision is very high. It is very long range missile. It has 300 kilometers of range. 300 kilometers is the range where it can hit the targets up to. So Suryastra in the Army Day Parade 2026.